In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 8 Ultra, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all text correction options. First of all, launch settings and scroll all the way down. When you're ready, tap on General Management and then select Samsung Keyboard Settings. Now you can manage all of those options under Smart Typing however you want to by tapping on the switches next to the chosen options or clicking on chosen ones and using switches within. When you've finished with all of those, tap on More Typing options to manage them as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!